Hello children, welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today we will continue our lesson number 12, Air, Water and Weather. But before we proceed further, let's have a quick recap what we had learnt in this chapter. The heat of the sun causes change in weather, and there are two types of breeze, sea breeze and land breeze. Change of water to water vapor is called evaporation, and the process by which water vapor changes into water is called condensation. My dear children, evaporation and condensation of water vapor also cause dew, hail, snow and fog, and these are the forms of precipitation. So here in this module we will learn about precipitation and the water cycle. So let's begin with hail and snow. Children, when water vapor reaches to a certain height, it condenses and forms the cloud. If the air around these clouds is very cold, these tiny drops of water freeze into snowflakes or ice crystals, and this forms snow or hailstones which falls from the clouds during the winter. You might have seen the snowfall during the winter season on the hill station. Next we have dew and fog. Children, in the morning when you go out for the walk, you might have noticed the water droplets on the leaves or on the petals of the flower. When weather turns chilly at night, the water vapor in the air condenses as the air touches the cold surface and gets converted into dew. In the morning, when you go out for a walk, you will see these tiny water droplets present on the leaves, on the car surfaces or on the petals of the flowers. But when warm and moist air cools rapidly, these tiny water drops of water are formed and they stay in the air. And this is the fog. Fog occurs in winter season and is often thickest in valleys and low-lying areas. Frost. When night becomes very cold, the dew drops present on the leaves or on the petals of the flower, they freezes to form ice, and this is frost, and this frost is very harmful for the crops. Precipitation. Children, as I had told you that rain, snow, hail and frost falling from clouds are called precipitation. So precipitation is the collective name for rain, snow, hail and frost. Rain is the falling drops of liquid water. Hail forms when drops of rain freeze, and snow falls when the temperature in a cloud below freezing, and sleet is the rain that freezes as it falls. So collectively these are known as the precipitation. Water cycle. Children, as we know that water exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas, and these states of water are interchangeable. So water keeps on changing forms in nature due to the process called water cycle. So let us study about water cycle. As we know that sun heats the water present in the seas, oceans, rivers and lakes, and this water changes into water vapor and evaporates. In the sky, it condenses to form small drops of water. When these small drops of water join together to form the clouds. If enough water condenses, the water drops become heavier. And when the water drops become very heavy, they fall to the ground as rain. So this cycle of evaporation, condensation and precipitation is called water cycle. It is a continuous process and it goes in the nature. So let us revise what we had learned today. The blanket of air surrounding the earth is atmosphere. The heat of the sun causes change in weather. The amount of water present in the air is called humidity. Evaporation and condensation of water vapor cause rain, dew, snow, hail and fog. And water keeps on changing forms in nature due to the process called water cycle. Thank you and have a nice day.